I just love making grant awards. I love helping deserving organizations do great things for North Carolinians. You get a grant, and you get a grant. You can't get a grant because your organization is on the suspension of funding list. Oh no, not the dreaded suspension of funding list. Whew. It was only a dream. I really dislike that scary suspension of funding list monster.
Why?
Because you gobble up potential grant recipients.
No, I don't.
Well, maybe not, but when an organization is put on the list, aren't they barred from getting state grants or other financial assistance forever?
No.
Whenever a grant recipient is out of compliance, the state agency that awarded the grant should let the organization know and give the grantee 60 days to correct the issue. If the issue isn't corrected, the agency grant manager must ask OSBM to put the organization on the suspension of funding list. It's true, an organization on the suspension list isn't eligible to receive state grants or financial assistance. State grant managers must check the list and may not disperse funds to organizations on the list. But an organization shouldn't stay on that list indefinitely. After an organization takes corrective action, the state grant manager should notify OSBM. We will remove them from the suspension of funding list so they are eligible to receive state funding again. State grant managers' communication with OSBM is vital to keeping the suspension of funding list up to date. A current list means agencies can disperse state funds correctly while not excluding wonderful organizations who may have briefly fallen behind in reporting or some other correctable infraction. So you see, the suspension of funding list isn't something to be feared. It's a tool for state grant managers. Working with OSBM, grant managers keep that tool current and beneficial for all agencies.
Now, how about a bedtime story?